Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we are going to unbox, review, and test the best anti-lippage tile leveling system spindle kit on the market. This is the best out there right now as far as a kit is concerned. What we're going to do, really quick, really simple, bring the camera up close, unbox this, show you what kind of goodies are within this kit here. It is by RTC, Russo Trading Company. It is Spin Doctor. We'll show you how this looks, what's included, how it works. We will also show you this. This is called Torque Monster. It's an anti-fatigue tool. It helps you to tighten your spindles to get your tiles to, again, level out, avoid the lippage. As usual, I will leave links down in the description below with specs and pricing on this kit here. This is for 1/16 inch grout joints, as well as this Torque Monster tool. All right, guys, let's unbox, bring the camera up close, show you what everything looks like, and then quickly mix up some thin set, install some glass panels, and show you how this amazing system works to help with tile installation. Here we go. Let's quickly first start with this box. It is large. It is sturdy. It can be used as a step stool. It is made by DeWalt, if you can see that right there. This will house all of your spindles as well as your clips. Again, amazing box. Let's open it up, see what's included. So here it is, folks. We'll start with this here. This is a free bonus. They include a turnbuckle tile leveling system rescue tool. Basically, it's as simple as this. We use these on nearly every shower remodel we do. If you have a clip that breaks, rather than having to pull that tile, you simply insert this rescue clip, I'll show you what this looks like, into the grout joint, and then level out your large format tile. I will leave a link in the description below with a review video on this I did in the past, but this is a must. It helps a lot. Again, it saves you time. Let's pull everything out. Now this kit includes 200 caps, more than enough for a large flooring job or to remodel a large shower. 100 clear view shields. Now this goes between your cap and your clip in order to protect the tile from scratching. And also 500 bases or clips, spacers, whatever you want to call them. This is more than enough to tile multiple floors, multiple showers. Again, this box will contain all of your caps, as well as all of your bases, your clips, your spacers. And then you have this guy here. This is called the Torque Monster. This helps to reduce fatigue when twisting your caps. Let's show you what it looks like. And now we show you how this Torque Monster works, as well as this tile leveling system. Let's quickly show you how this system works. Now, I've got to say, I love this Torque Master. It's definitely a must with this Spin Doctor system. Well, there it is. Very easy system to work with. Let's let this thin set cure set up. We'll show you how to remove this and I'll give you my thoughts. Break along the grout joints. Well, there it is, guys. Excellent system. The best anti-lippage tile leveling system spindle system kit on the market by RTC Spin Doctor. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.